Good evening, my name is Cynthia Spencer and I'm going to be performing a neurological and musculoskeletal assessment. So first I'm going to go ahead and introduce my patient and ask him questions. I'm just kidding. Good evening, Mr. Polendo. I'm here to perform your neurological and musculoskeletal assessment. Okay? Can I check your wristband, please? Name?
Luis Polendo.
Date of birth?
11/22/04.
Okay, thank you. Now, before I do anything, I'm just going to go ahead and ask you a few questions in relation to your health, okay? Do you smoke or drink, sir?
No.
Do you exercise?
Yes.
How often?
Like 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
Yes.
Okay, sir. How many meals do you eat a day?
2.
Do they have vegetables, dairy?
Most of the time, no.
Okay. Do you have family history of diabetes, asthma, any condition? Do you have any allergies?
No. Please.
No? Okay. So first we're going to begin with the neurological assessment, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and check your eyes. So if you could please remove your glasses. Stare at me and not into the light, okay? So pupils are round and reactive and equal to light. What's today, sir?
Monday.
What day?
12th of October.
What year?
2020.
Okay, that goes ahead and proves that he's neurologically stable and he knows where he's at. So now we're gonna go ahead and you can go ahead and stand up for me.
Put them on, or?
You can put them back on.
Okay.
So go ahead and put your arms to your sides. Put them down. Bring them up for me. Put them down. Bring them up with resistance. Good job. Now go ahead and extend them. And rotate them for me. Rotate them back. Go ahead and try and scratch your back. And then scratch it the other way. With that, I tested his shoulders and his arms. Now we're gonna go ahead and check your gait, which is your walk. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk with you. So you're just gonna walk normally with me. And now we're gonna go heel to toe. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to go ahead and check your back, so if you could remove your shirt for me. Of course, for a scoliosis test, you would need to be, licensed or certified, but I'm just going to check for his curvature. So go ahead and bend over and touch your toes. And I see a small curvature, but not much. Go ahead and stand up. You can put your shirt back on. Now if you can go ahead and do me a favor and lay on the bed, please. So now I am going to check the range of motion in his legs. So go ahead and I'm going to bend your knee in. Straighten it out for me. Rest your leg. Keep it straight. And put pressure on my hand. Press. There we go. Now let's go ahead and do it to the other leg. Straighten it out for me. And press for me. And I'm going to go ahead and bend at your knee. I'm going to go ahead and push back. I'm checking your collateral ligaments. And I'm going to go ahead and push forward. Back. And forward. I'm making sure I feel no crepitus or hear any popping. Now I'm going to go ahead and check the range of motion in his ankles. Can you rotate your ankle for me? Now the other direction. press on the gas as if you were driving, and now retract it back. Go ahead and do the same thing for this one. Go ahead and go the other direction. Press on the gas for me. Now retract it back. I'm also gonna check to make sure that his pulses are intact. So we have the popliteal pulse behind the knee. It's 2+. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove your socks. And I'm gonna check the pulses on his feet, his dorsal pulse. Pulses are 2+. Pulses are 2+. Now I'm gonna go ahead and you can go ahead and stand up again. And I'm gonna go ahead and check the coordination in his neck. So go ahead and flex your neck down, chin to chest. Bring it back up. Hyperextend it. Bring it back to normal. Rotate to the left. Rotate to the right. And do a neck roll.
Yeah.
There you go. Now, after that, pause it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and check your coordination, okay? So, go ahead and what you're gonna do is you're gonna touch each finger to your thumb and back.
Alright.
And speed it up a little bit. Okay, good. Now, in this case, if I had the hammer, I would check for his reflexes. So I'll check the reflexes in his in his knees, his elbows, and his triceps. But throughout the entire process, did you feel any pain?
No.
Did you have any pain before? No? Okay. And that'll conclude my musculoskeletal and neurological assessment. That'll